Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava and today we will see linking in HTML. Before that, we have to see how to add image in a table. To add image in a table, we have to use the table tag. When we use the table tag, th and td associated with it and along with the tr. So when we have to add the image, we can see instead of data we have to use the image tag. We have to give the proper path of the image, and path or the name of the image should be within the double quotes. And when we add the data, we use the opening td, we use the closing td, the same work we do here, but instead of the data we use the img tag. When we execute this program, we get this type of output. You can see that images are displaying in cell. Now the linking. Linking, that means the hyperlink. Hyperlink is the highlighted text or the image on the web page. Clicking on that, we move from one web page to another web page to access the information. The highlighted text is called the hypertext. When we talk about the linking, it is of two types: internal linking and the external linking. Internal linking, that means when we connect from one part to another part within the same web page, is called the internal linking. And external linking, that means we can connect to the web page or the website, is called external linking. To create the hyperlink in HTML, anchor tag is used. Anchor tag is the container tag. It is used to mark the text as a hyperlink, and clicking on that we can move to the another web page. We can use hyperlink in the following ways: to jump from one section to another section within the same web page. That is the internal linking. To link from one web page to another web page within the same website, that is the external linking. To link to another web page or the website anywhere in the world, that means we can give the address of any another website and that will connect it to the home page. When we design the hyperlink, first we have to create the home page, and when we use the name with the, this is the example of internal style sheet. Sorry, this is the example of internal linking. So we can see that in header section is common in all the program, we know that. Now we see the body section, a href. Here we use the hash and the keyword. Angle bracket is closed, that means, and we use the red font. So this red font will be hypertext. The same for the next Khajuraho temple will be the hypertext. Now we have used BR multiple times to increase the size of the web page so that we can move from one web page to another web page. Now AID is the anchor tag, and ID is used to create the internal linking. We can see that keyword is same, and we can add the paragraph. If you wish, you can add different formatting options also. When we execute this program, we get the option like this: Red Fort and the Khajuraho temple. When we click on the Red Fort, we get the option like this. That means this is the same page, and we can move from one part to another part within the same page using the internal linking. Now we can see it is the example of external linking. Href. Href is the attribute used to establish the hyperlink. With the href, we have to give the name of the HTML file that we have already stored. That file is existing in your device, you can use only those names. So image in the cell.html, this image in table is the hypertext, and this is the name of the file. When we use the name of the file along with the extension, it should be within the double quotes and angle bracket should be closed. We know that it is a container tag, that's why anchor tag is closed here. In the next line, we can see that google.com is used. So similarly, you can use the another website to connect to the world anywhere, anytime. When we execute the program image in table, we can see the highlighted text. When we click on that, we get the output like this: image in table or image in cell. When we click on Google, we get the window like this. Using that, we can connect to the world, we can find any information over the internet, and so on. Thank you.